ASSET360 was born from 20 plus years of analytics experience. Five or 6 years ago, we had the opportunity to really reinvent the platform and start from the ground up to build a cloud-based analytics platform which enabled us to address asset problems independent of what industry they fall in.
Our customers have the data. A lot of times it's a challenge of knowing what to do with that data. So that's where we come into play. The ASSET360 platform is able to leverage and harness that data, apply mathematical models, detect anomalies, and that allows us to surface insights for our customers that otherwise were unattainable.
ASSET360 really benefits several different roles in an organization. There's leadership roles that benefit because they get to see kind of that high-level economic information that ASSET360 provides. Also, people like engineers and data analysts, they get to dig into the technical details. And then really field personnel benefit as well by understanding what tasks need to be completed and how to get those done.
Atonix recognizes how important it is for a platform to be both scalable and flexible. But scalability isn't just about how many users a platform can handle. It's also about how easy it is to extend the platform to new capabilities and provide those capabilities to its clients.
Years ago, people were hesitant about SaaS platforms, but today people are really embracing it. They see that they're able to get new content faster, they're able to leverage new technologies and really see a product grow and evolve over time just by one continuous subscription.
I think the key is that when you have a unified set of math or capabilities, you're applying the same knowledge or the same math across different problems. You're not applying different applications to address the different problems. So that yields consistency, it yields efficiency, it yields confidence that the quality of the answer is going to improve across all applications as your models evolve.
Customers really talk about our integrated platform in the context of there's multiple problems that they're trying to solve within this asset performance management space, and they like that they can solve many of those problems from one unified environment and maintain a consistent experience and a shared data environment.
Probably the most important value that our customers see is the speed to implement and in turn the return on investment. Several of our customers have seen return on investment within months after implementing the platform.
ASSET360 provides a consistent view of past, current, and future data. And it also really allows the client to get actionable information out of that data, to provide KPIs, visualization, analytics, and it really is what differentiates ourselves and makes ASSET360 a great platform.